So guys, first you need to log into your account. So this is my current channel. This channel I don't want to delete it. So just click on this profile icon and just click on this switch account if you have multiple channels. So in my case I have multiple channels and this channel I want to delete it. So I'll just select this one, inspirational wonk, and I am in logged in with this account. You can see now. Okay. So once you logged in with the account which you want to delete it, then what you need to do is just click on this icon, profile icon, then scroll down and just click on this settings. Inside this settings, just go to this advanced settings and scroll down. Here you will get an option to delete the channel, right? So just click on this delete channel option and it'll ask you for the password. Okay, so this is my password and just click on this next and after verifying here it is asking just you want to hide your content or you want to delete it permanently. So I want to delete it permanently, so I'll select the second one. I'll drill down this one and I'll check this one. The following will be permanent deletely completely. The comments and all replies and all everything will get deleted permanently, so I'll just select this one. Any paid subscription as well, those will also will get deleted. So after checking these boxes, check boxes, just click on this delete my content and it is asking for the channel name. So let's copy this from here and just paste it over here and then just select this delete my content. It is updating and your content is being deleted. It's written and it's in process to being. Okay, so now it got deleted. Guys, you can see we don't have that option for delete channel anymore, right? And here also, if you can see, just click on this profile icon. And if you click on this switch account, see the channel is not available anymore. So this is how you can delete your YouTube channel